So, in this chapter, I'm going to talk about fake, field, ether, and knowledge. In the last class, we studied about binary universe. There are two bodies, subtle body, gross body. They are soul, supersoul. So today this is all about knowledge. Today's class is all about knowledge, right? Where does this knowledge come from, right? And where it is stored. So I wanna sing a poem for you. Gross body heavy, subtle body free. Gross body heavy, subtle body free. Flying through cosmos, infinite sea. Mind, ego, buddhi, all in harmony. Soul, eternal, chasing destiny. So, today I'm going to talk about ether, and in very short I'm going to explain the modern physics as well as the Vedic principle. So first of all we will learn about the Vedic principle, then the modern physics. So the Vedic principle says that ether is the medium that connects the mind, or we can say ether is the highway of consciousness. Ether connect the mind and matter. So previously many scientists, older scientists like alchemy, he said that spirit, subtle spirit, it's the subtle spirit connecting the matter and the mind. And there were many theories like luminous ether, but all of them were regarded in their time, but now it is discarded. So but still science says that there is something, right? He did not directly deny the existence of ether if he cannot prove it, right? Because there is the concept of quantum vacuum or 0 point energy. So now simply I'm gonna talk that ether is actually the fifth element of the body. Ether is always the connecting link of the mind and the matter. And ether is actually in Vedic science, it is called the Akash or the space or the sky, right? So, and the space, actually the universe, when it originated with ether, the space, which later give rise to the other element, like ether give rise to the sky, air. Ether is the sky, it gives rise to the air, air gives rise to the fire, fire gives rise to the water, water gives rise to the earth. So this is the Vedic principle, right? And ether is the element of the body, or in the Gita principle, the body or the field. By the way, we are talking about fake field, that is the body. Knowledge, that is the knowledge, what is the knowledge, and the ether, connecting the field and the knowledge. So, from the Bhagavad Gita, from chapter 13, Krishna says that the material body, the field, is made of 24 elements, which is the cause of the body. And there are other like desire, hatred, happiness, distress, life symptom, conviction, So these are also its effect, or you can say these are actually interaction. So ether, the one element in the 24 element, connect the matter to the spirit, right? So actually, if someone asks me the definition of ether, so I will, in the Vedic language, I will say it is nothing but the knowledge floating in the universe, or you can say it is the connecting link of consciousness in this unlimited universe, or it connect the mind in the, or it connect the mind with the unlimited universe. So if you say you will ask for the proof, yes, I will have to give the proof, and I will surely give you proof. But before going further, I will now say a very important thing. It's all about scientist, right? So Krishna says those who want to know, actually they search for me, and science means is to know, right? So every scientist who is in this universe searching for the material cause is actually searching for the truth, but he is unknown of the fact because his consciousness is covered with false ego. So science and scientists are actually searching the original, the true knowledge. And Krishna in Bhagavad Gita says that I am everywhere. I am inside, I am outside. I am in non-living, I am in living. I am in moving, I am in non-moving. I am this subtle, I am everywhere. So, and this in chapter 13.16 he says that the truth is inside, and what I'm gonna explain about that is that ether is nothing but is the truth stored as a cosmic energy in unlimited types of energy to give the cause and effect of the unlimited universe. So now many will ask many questions, right? But I will again give a Vedic knowledge and the Vedic inscription which says that the ether is actually divided into three, or the Akash is Mahakash, Rayakash, Siddhanandakash. Mahakash, Siddhakash, Hridayakash. So Mahakash is the universe which is outside the earth, or which is outside of the our body. Siddhakash is actually the ether where thought process takes place, and Hridayakash or the ether which reside in the heart, and where the soul and supersoul reside. So in the chapter 13.33 Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says the same thing, right? But modern science say that no physical ether is required, right? So yes, but the same time he cannot deny its existence, because the material science and the material being and all the human who are material have limited sense, and their sense are not so far that they can see the real truth of the God, or he can escape the illusion. So I want to say a small story, right? So suppose if I have some valuable things which I want to give to my dearest one, and I don't want that it should be taken from it should be taken by anyone else. So what should I do? I will hide it in a place where only eligible can reach. So the knowledge which is there before the universe is created is always present in the medium, or if there is no medium, then it is always present in a 0 point energy where consciousness where the consciousness meets the spiritual energy, right? So gross body is actually bounded by gravity, and physics is actually bounded by time and space. Physics have limited knowledge, right? So physics and metaphysics cannot deny the existence of ether. But ether, which connects the living with the spiritual. So living beings are actually marginal energy of the supreme. There are three energies: spiritual energy, material energy, marginal energy. The matter we see is material, right? Like the field we are talking, like mind, intellect, ego, desire, hatred, happiness, the senses, and the five element, and the 10 sense organ, and the sense object, and apart from all the 11 sense mind, right? These are all material. So marginal energy actually in between spiritual and material. So God have given an freedom to the soul to enjoy. So the consciousness is actually covered by the false ego of the body who think that I am actually the doer, and who thinks that I have the designation. Like if I am the president of India, then I say I am the president of India. This is my designation. So it's the false ego. So the consciousness is covered by false ego, and that's why we cannot reach the realm of ether. We cannot reach the realm of knowledge. So we are lagging. So now I'm gonna say that the ether is the hidden knowledge, hidden source of knowledge, and only devotion of the Supreme will make you eligible to raise the unlimited knowledge, right? So chapter 13 start with the question of the Arjuna. Arjuna asks the Supreme that I want to know about the nature, I want to know about the knowledge, I want to know about the knower of the body, I want to know about the knowledge, the absolute knowledge. So he asked the questions, and these questions were very useful to all of us because it's the science of soul. So if you like my content, and if you are thinking that if I am doing a good thing, then kindly you can comment on my section and leave your golden opinion. Yes, there will be some contradiction, but I will handle all contradiction and I will handle your all argument, right? So now let's talk about the consciousness, right? So consciousness is not a product of combination of matter, right? It's the symptom of soul, it's the symptom of living. If you are conscious, it means you are living, right? Anyone can say that. But this consciousness is covered by ego, false ego. And what are these ego? These are actually basically the attachment or addiction of the body to the material nature. Cause this game is played by the Supreme. The super soul who is residing in the heart with the soul is fragment of the Supreme. He is the watcher, he is the giver, he is the permitter of the soul, or he is the company of the soul. So many would ask that many people who commit many dangerous act, many hilarious act, many so act which should not be done, like murder, rape. So is that are also sanctioned by the super soul? So to understand this, you must first have to be a devotee of the Lord, because my God is great, मेरा भगवान महान. So chant his glory and you will understand his nature. So that's all I wanted to talk, and I will thank you all. And before going, so once again I will chant the poem. Gross body heavy, subtle body free, flying through cosmos, infinite sea. Mind, ego, buddhi, all in harmony. Soul eternal, chasing destiny. So, subtle body can actually travel the whole universe with the super soul, cause ether is present everywhere. It's inside, it's outside, the truth is everywhere. So the consciousness can actually travel, but you should be eligible for that. Now I will give a simple example, like, have you ever been in very deepest pain? So if you are in a pain, then surely then you are depart or not addicted to the material nature, or you are now detached for some time from the material nature. So now that's the right moment where the soul searches the truth, or where the mind craves for the true ego. The true ego is the love of the God, or the God itself. So actually soul can travel anywhere he wants with the Supreme Lord, because Supreme Lord is so great, he has created the entire universe. Why can't he convert a simple energy to another form of energy and send it where he likes? So with this I would like to stop my words. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. मेरा भगवान महान. थैंक यू.